Here is the linear equation we are asked to solve. 2 times x plus 18 equals 7 times x minus 30. Solving means isolating x on one side with a number on the other. Let's do this step by step. To keep the equation balanced, we make the same change to both sides. The right side has 7 times x. To collect the x terms on one side, subtract 7 times x from both sides. That gives negative 5 times x plus 18 equals negative 30. The plus 18 keeps 5 times x from standing alone. Subtract 18 from both sides to remove it. That gives negative 5 times x equals negative 48. Negative 5 is multiplying x. To leave x alone, divide both sides by negative 5. That gives x equals 9.6. Quick check. Substitute 9.6 for x. Both sides equal 186 over 5, so the equation balances. So, x equals 9.6.